Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I run this Scanner Pro program on my tablet, and it's tied in with Broadcastify. And one of the options is you can have it send you a text or an alert when the number of listeners reach a certain value. And you can do it for nationwide. And so I don't remember what it's set at for nationwide, but it's a pretty big number. I think it's like 500 or 1,000. Well, I got a message about 20 minutes ago that this location in Nevada had 20,000 plus listeners. And so I thought, I better get on that. So sure enough, there was a trooper killed, a massive manhunt for this gentleman. He took the deceased trooper information and vehicle and is now stuck off of some location. Anyway, you can listen to that. So let me pick. How do I pick? I don't know how to pick it on this page. We even pick it there. Yeah, there we go. And there it is right here. So right now it's 19,000 listeners. So we'll listen for a few minutes. When I was listening to it downstairs on my tablet, you could actually hear them pursuing. Pursuing this gentleman. Apparently they're still after him. So that's just one of the things you can do when shortwave listening is in the toilet, is listen to these scanners throughout the United States. And if you happen to catch this video soon after I publish it, check it out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.